잘 지냈어요 모두 보고 싶었어 이도 고잉은 언제나 너에게 고잉
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elisa Julianti. In this video, I want to give my opinion about smoking on campus to fulfill the English courses assignment taught by Miss Sri Mulyati SS. As college students, we are often in an environment where our habits can shape our future either positively or negatively. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on a habit that not only affect individual but also impact our entire campus community, that is smoking. How many of you have ever felt uncomfortable due to cigarette smoke on campus? Yet, we often overlook its serious impact on health and the environment. Smoking is an issue that involves the entire campus community, from students and lecturers to staff members. Therefore, let's discuss together how this smoking habit impacts our campus life and how we can tackle it. Smoking is the habit of burning tobacco and inhaling the smoke, either using a cigarette or a pipe. Smoking can be done with various types and forms of tobacco, such as clove cigarette, white cigarette, and others. The government has created the authority to create regulation for a smoke-free campus. KTR. Smoke-free campus is a ban on smoking or producing, selling, advertising, and promoting tobacco products on campus. The campus where I study has imposed a smoking ban both inside and outside the campus. This aims to create a comfortable lecture activity, but in reality, the smoking ban, the word smoke-free and clean from cigarette butts are just words spoken without any awareness from some irresponsible student. Where I see now a lot of students, especially boys, who smoke in front of the campus. This has a negative impact, namely damaging the image of the campus, and students can pollute the environment and damage human health. I will explain it one by one. 1. Damaging the image of the campus and students. People who see students smoking in front of the campus will make the public view of the campus and student bad. People will judge that the campus does not care about health and the environment and is less disciplined in implementing the rules. People will also judge that students do not care about health and are not disciplined. This can have an impact on the campus reputation in attracting prospective new students. 2. Damaging the environment. Cigarette smoke exhaled outside the campus fence will pollute the air and the surrounding environment. Cigarette butts that are thrown carelessly also damage the aesthetic and pollute the soil. Besides, the cigarette butt cannot decompose easily. 3. Damage health. Even though smoking is outside the campus fence, cigarette smoke can still be carried by the wind and inhaled by students on campus. This can have an impact on their health, especially for students who have allergy or respiratory problems. Did you know that a cigarette contains more than 7 chemicals, including 4,000 types or chemical compounds for 100 hazardous substances, 43 cancer-causing substances, carcinogenic. People who smoke will often have a greater chance of getting an attack of diseases such as lung damage, coronary heart disease, stroke, narrowing of blood vessels. Smoking can also cause tooth and gum disease, osteoporosis, eye disease, and skin problems. Good student behavior is behavior that reflects a responsible attitude, cares about environment and health, and respect the rules and norms that apply on campus. Smoking on campus, but inside and outside the campus area, is contrary to good student behavior because it is detrimental to the health of it is detrimental to the health of oneself and others, pollutes the environment, and violates campus rules. The campus should be a place that encourages a healthy lifestyle and is free from cigarette smoke. Therefore, a solution needs to be done, namely by 1. I think the campus should be strict in enforcing the smoking ban both inside and outside. The campus fence security officers can be give the authority to reprimand and take action against students who violate the rules. Giving strict sanction to students who violate the rules must be fair and effective, such as reprimand, fines, or even suspension. 2. Campus must create a supportive environment. Campus need to create a supportive environment to force students to quit smoking. This can be done by providing a special place for smoking that is far from public area, providing counseling and therapy facility to help students quit smoking, and providing positive activity as alternative for students who want to quit smoking. The conclusion of my opinion is that smoking is a dangerous habit and has a negative impact on individual health, the environment, and the image of the campus. Although the campus has implemented a smoking ban, there are still many students who ignore the rule, which can damage the campus reputation and pollute the environment. To overcome this problem, it is important for the campus to increase enforcement of the smoking ban and create a supportive environment for students to quit smoking. With this step, the campus can become a healthier and more comfortable place for all students, encouraging a smoke-free lifestyle. Thank you.
트레저와 함께 달려 Ready for action, let's go 트러블 물을 쳐주러
Hello everyone, welcome back again with me, Elisa Julianti. In this video, I will discuss the material about present continuous. Make sure to watch until the end because there is a lot of important information that I will share. Come on, let's get started. Our discuss material is definition of present continuous, characteristic of present continuous, formula of present continuous, function of present continuous, and conclusion of present continuous. What is the definition of present continuous? Present continuous is a tense in English that is used to describe action that are currently taking place. Remember an activity that is being done. For example, Jungkook is playing video games. Is playing is the present continuous form of the verb play. The verb play is changed to playing by adding "in" at the end. 2. Triraja are working lyrics together. This sentence, the form of to be are followed by the verb form working, which show that the activity is ongoing. So the present continuous are working is used to emphasize that the activity of working lyrics together is being carried out by Triraja at this time. 3. Mingyu is practicing singing for his new album. The sentence is in the present continuous because it describes an action that is currently taking place. In the sentence, is practicing use the form to be is followed by the verb form practicing, which show that the activity is ongoing. So, whatever activity you are doing or are doing right now, this second is a present continuous pattern. What are the characteristics of present continuous? The characteristics of the present continuous are 1. Using adverbs of time. Sometimes adverbs that are often used in present continuous include now, at the moment, right now, this days, this week, this month, and this year. 2. In the second he asked the verb 1 plus in. For example, play, playing, eat, eating, sleep, sleeping, read, reading, write, writing, talk, talking, run, running. So there is an additional in at the back. 3. And the last one used to be is and are. And used when the subject is I. Is used when the subject is she, he, it. Are used the subject is you, we, they. What is the formula for present continuous? How to make positive, negative, and interrogative sentence? Positive sentence, subject plus to be plus verb in. Example, she is reading a book in the class. Negative sentence, subject plus to be plus not plus verb in. Example, she is not reading a book in the class. 3. Interrogative sentence. The formula is to be plus subject plus verb in. Example, is she reading a book in the class? What is the function of present continuous? In this section, we will discuss some of the functions of the present continuous tense directly with example in previous sentence patterns. The first one is things that are happening now. Example, positive sentence, they are playing soccer right now. Negative, they are not playing soccer right now. Interrogative sentence, are they playing soccer right now? The second one is temporary event. The difference with point 1 is usually the first function, so an activity that takes place in a short time. Well, will this one function can be used to tell an event that takes place in a relative long time but only happens temporarily. Example, positive sentence, BTS are staying in Los Angeles for their collaboration project this month. Negative sentence: BTS are not staying in Los Angeles for their collaboration project this month. Interrogative sentence: are BTS staying in Los Angeles for their collaboration project this month? The third is talk about the action around the time of speaking. As you have read before about advance of time from the present continuous tense, so this sentence can be used to tell about an activity which activity occurs around the time of the conversation. Example: positive sentence: he is preparing for his presentation these days. Negative sentence: he is not preparing for his presentation these days. Interrogative sentence: is he preparing for his presentation these days? The fourth is future plans. Have you read the article about simple future tense? Because we have discussed this function in that article, so you can use the present continuous sentence to talk about plans that will definitely happen in the near future. Example: positive sentence: Stray are releasing their new album next week. This positive sentence uses the present continuous tense to indicate a future plan that has already been scheduled, namely the release of a new album next week. The basic structure is subject plus to be plus verb id. Negative sentence: Stray Kids are not releasing their new album next week. This negative sentence adds not after are to show that the album release plan will not happen next week. The sentence structure remains the same, only not is added to make it a negative sentence. Interrogative sentence: are Stray Kids releasing the interrogative sentence: are Stray Kids releasing their new album next week? In this interrogative sentence, the word are is moved to the beginning of the sentence to make it a question. This is a common structure for question in the present continuous tense when asking about future plans. When can a present continuous tense be asked? Present continuous sentence cannot be used to express habits, general facts, or events that are fixed and repetitive. Sentences like this are more appropriate to use the simple present tense. Example: I go to gym every Saturday. You must remember what tense is the sentence that uses the verb of time every. Yeah, the sentence above isn't the simple present tense, so you can change the sentence above to I am going to the gym every Saturday. Verbs that cannot be used in present continuous tense. Not all verbs in English can be used in the present continuous tense. There are many verbs that do not describe an action or action, so they cannot be added within at the end of the word. Will the verb can be known as static verb or static verb, the opposite of dynamic verb. Here are examples of static verbs. Example verb that cannot be used in present continuous tense. Types of verbs static in English: preposition and sensation. Verb that indicate human sentence. For example, hear, taste, smell, see, and sound. Cognition, emotion, attitude. Verb that indicate cognition, emotion, and attitude. Example: love, hate, adore, doubt, like, forget, agree, and disagree. Having and being. Verb that indicate ownership. For example: be, have to, cause, require, belong, and include. Sentence verb that indicate sentence, for example, sit, stand, lie, laugh, and face. Other static verb, example, wait, content, enough, and content consist. Notice, actually there is not correct way to classify whether a verb falls into the static or dynamic category because some of the words above can change form depending on the context of the sentence or its use. Example, I have a car. Here, have is a static because it shows possession state. Another example, I am having lunch. Here, having is dynamic because it shows activity, having lunch. Conclusion of present continuous. The conclusion is that the present continuous is a tense form in English that is used to describe action that are currently taking place, temporary events, activities that occur around the time of the conversation, and future plans that have been agreed upon. The formula contains of a subject followed by to be, is, and are, and a verb with the ending in. Typical use include a verb of time such as now and these days. It is important to remember that the present continuous is not to express that habits, general facts, or even that occur repeatedly. Okay, does the video confirm the discussion of the present continuous? I realize that making this video I'm still far from perfect. Therefore, I really need critique and suggestion for me to improve in the future. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
다음에 또